Ford believes the future of driving is electric. These cars are all new releases from the Ford Motor Company, and they are all either fully electric or hybrid, a combination of internal combustion and electric. They will help drivers comply with the low emission zones being imposed in European cities. These areas charge drivers a fee for driving high emission cars, but this new fleet will let you drive free of charge.
You can save with just a touch of a button the electric energy in the battery and use the internal combustion engine to drive the car to London. And then you enter the borders of London, and then you can switch on electric and the car drives emission-free in the city environment.
Ford's most popular car in Europe is the Transit, and the company has slowly been moving the car away from internal combustion and towards hybrids. Ford Europe Chairman Steve Armstrong says his company is ready to get these cars on the road.
We've had a fleet trial running in London for the last 12 months with 16 of our customers, and using the lessons we've learned from that fleet trial, we're actually going to go into full production later this year, and people will be able to see those vehicles on the streets across Europe by the end of this year.
A fully electric version will hit the streets in 2021.
All of the technologies are new. It's the latest generation of battery technology, it's the latest generation of e-motor technology, and then of course it's the latest generation of technologies mating the electric motors via the transmissions to the engines.
Ford says it is developing a fully electric passenger van with a range of 150 kilometers and a sports car with a 600 kilometer range, and those will be available 2020. Armstrong says they are just doing what's necessary to compete in a world that is increasingly mandating climate consciousness.
Electrification, of course, is going to be a very big part of our industry as we move to new types of propulsion to lower our CO2 emissions primarily. So you'll see more electrification news coming from us in the future. Next year we will have our first full electric, which is a Mustang-inspired performance SUV.
To support the cars, a consortium of car companies is working to open 400 charging stations across Europe by next year. Kevin Enix, VOA News.